Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable biometric authentication on the Aqua Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into your wallet page. Now, from this page, if you wish to enable biometric verification for your account, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Now, from the general settings page, if you scroll down, you will see the security settings, where you can find the biometric authentications toggle. Go ahead and tap on the toggle, and you will now be asked to provide your fingerprint to verify your identity. After you provide the print, you will be taken back into your wallet page. Now, go back into the settings option and scroll down within the general settings, and you will now see that biometric authentication has been enabled within security settings. Now, after this point, every time you make a transaction, you can provide your biometric to complete your transaction, and the same can be done to log into your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable biometric authentication on the Aqua Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.